Good morning student. Welcome in your English class. Today we are going to discuss active and passive voice, and now we are going to study about the imperative passive voice. So open the door. This is the first example of active voice, and we will change active voice into passive voice, this type of sentences. First start the sentence from let and then bring the object first and then be and then third form of the verb. Open the door, let the door be opened. Next sentences you also have to complete like by following first example. Complete the work. Okay, start the sentence from let and then bring the object first. Let the work be completed. Turn off the television. Let the television be turned off. Learn your lesson. Let your lesson be learned. Kill the snake. Let the snake be killed. Punish him. If your sentences is imperative sentence, active voice imperative sentence, then we will change like him object in the same. Let him be punished. Okay, now come to the next example. Speak the truth. Let the truth be spoken. Help the poor. Let the poor be helped. Revise your book. Let your book be revised. And next and the last sentence, clean your room. Be cleaned. Okay, the imperative sentences, and you will change the sentences, and you will change the sentences by starting the sentences of let and then bring the object first and then add new word after the object be and third form of the verb. Now come to the another sentences where the by used. These are the sentences where by is not used after the third form of the verb. There is no need to add the word by. Okay, you have to learn the verbs which considered always the preposition, and there is no need to put a new word by. Okay, now alarmed at, annoyed at, contained in, disgusted with, displeased. इफ़ यू आर डिसप्लीज्ड मीन्स अनहैप्पी हो आप किसी से, अगर पर्सन के बिहेवियर से अनहैप्पी हो देन विद. ब्लाइंड विद, मैरिड विद अ गर्ल टू अ बॉय, देन यू विल यूज एंड सेटिस्फाइड विद, प्लीज्ड विद. इफ यू द पर्सन बिहेवियर देन यू विल ऐड विद at the place of by. Surprised, always considered preposition at. Offended, okay, these are the example which you have to follow. Active voice, the leader's speech offended many. Okay, bring the object front, many, and these are the plural, so you have to write. Okay, now write the third of the verb. Many were offended, and check the preposition which we can put with offended. Okay, the preposition with. Many were offended with leader's speech. There is no need to put by. You have to write with at the place of by. Now come to the next sentence. Her death shocked me, and we always write the preposition at with shocked. Her death shocked me, then bring the object first I, then helping verb was, then third form of the verb shocked, and we will replace by at the place of at. Okay, I was shocked at her death. Okay, and learn these verbs and write in your fair book, and you have to learn also the preposition which always considered with these verbs. Now come to the next. The sentences, these are miscellaneous. You have to learn these sentences also and make a lot of practice. First sentence, I hope to win. Okay, here the preposition to, I hope to win, and you have to change the sentence. Here is no object which you can bring first, so you will write here it. Okay, and you know it is a present tense. In present tense we always put helping verb is MR. It is hoped that I will win. Okay, come to the next sentence. May she live long, and you change the sentence like this. It is prayed that she may live long. Okay, this is very important sentence and it is very popular sentence. We always use most of time this sentence. One should keep one's promise, यानी हर एक किसी को अपना promise पूरा करना चाहिए. And you have to change the sentence. Promises should be kept. Okay. Now, police will investigate into the matter. The matter will be investigated. There is no need to put by and then police. If you will write, then it will be okay and it will be correct. If you will not write, then there will be no problem. It will also correct if you will not put by and then object. They have proved his guess is wrong. His guesses has been proved wrong. This is imperative sentence. Prepare yourself for the roast. Let you be prepared for the roast. Now, my purse has been stolen. You have to change the sentence. Your purse has been stolen. You have to change this sentence yourself and send me. Now come to the practice exercise. Students, you have to practice these exercise in your rough notebook and send me on my personal WhatsApp, and read the sentences very nicely which I have told, miscellaneous sentences, and you have to learn and write the all rules of passive voice. Thank you. Have a nice day.